always remind us how young we were. A small group, but ambitious, daring, and willing to implement in the vascular field. 10 years of gathering, listening, objecting, contributing, complementing, holding breath, easing up, igniting fires, but never hurting each other. Always accepting novel ideas, then trimming and adopting for the real world practice. Sharing cheerful moments and grief as well. Always waiting for the upcoming event to enrich the scientific capability and empower the friendship bonds, abreasting vascular and non-vascular themes, always aligned with the appropriate frame of caretaking for our patients, trainees, and societies. Even in the most critical situations, never stopped with the highest level of vigilance. We tackled the pandemic issue and its impact on vascular practice in the face of tremendous cancellation of all scientific events worldwide by that time. Appreciating the effort, persistence, dedication of all other leaders in our field, simulating the vascular garden, wherever you bark, you will find the nectar. The triple union of MIVAC and Al Azhar University and the Pan Arab Vascular Surgical Society have added a special taste to this year's event, as many of the peer specialists from all around the Arabian world are here today, willing to teach, discuss, and embark on hot topics pertinent to our field. The interests may vary, the approaches may differ, but remains the target of handling the torch to the next racer to achieve a better quality of life to our patients. Thank you very much.